मोदी फ्रांस के शहर मार्सेille पहुंचे तो वहां रहने वाले भारतीय समुदाय ने उनका भव्य स्वागत किया। भारतीय समुदाय ने प्रधानमंत्री मोदी का स्वागत भारत माता की जय और वंदे मातरम के नारों के साथ किया। पीएम ने सभी से आत्मीय भाव के साथ मुलाकात की। गौरतलब है कि फ्रांस में बड़ी संख्या में भारतीय समुदाय के लोग रहते हैं और वहां के विकास के अहम भागीदार भी हैं।
I was very happy to meet the Prime Minister.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि मैं मार्सेई में रहती हूँ और फर्स्ट टाइम ऐसा हुआ है कि वो साउथ ऑफ फ्रांस से आए हैं, तो फॉर अस इट्स अ बिग डील एंड वी आर वेरी प्राउड एंड वेरी हैप्पी।
मोदी जी से मिलके बहुत अच्छा लगा और इतनी देर इंतज़ार करके लग रहा है कि वर्थ इट था, तो वी आर वेरी हैप्पी एक्चुअली।
Actually, I was in India, but I preponed my trip along with my son. I'm really happy to meet the PM, sir. It was totally worth it.
I'm very delighted and very honored to meet the Prime Minister today. I came all the way from Toulouse and we are very honored, I'll say that again, to be an Indian.
We are very excited and it's a proud moment for us because this having consulate here was a long-standing demand which has now been met, and this will not only help the trade, which is because of the port city, but will also save us to go 500-600 kilometers to Paris for a small thing as to renewals, passport renewals and all that. So it is a very good thing for the community in south of France and especially Lyon and below Lyon and Toulouse and Marseille and Nice and all those things. So we are very happy and thank you Modi ji for opening this and giving us a New Year gift.
It was very amazing experience for us. I'm a student over here in Marseille doing my masters. So it was a very unrealistic moment for us. We didn't feel like we are far from home because we are amongst Indians and it feels very nice of being here.
Yeah, even for me as a student, like, it was a precious moment for us to meet Narendra Modi ji like from nearby. Even like we just shake hands with them and it was good.
Yeah, as an Indian student over here who is in an international environment, having him here, having all these people here has only been great.
I would say that it was such a great honor for us to be able to meet him up close today here, and I'm really hoping that the opening of the new consulate here will actually help us a lot in exchanging cultures and celebrating more festivals together and meeting fellow Indians.